Welcome to episode 54 of The Daily Shed. And today I want to talk a bit about Tom Sawyer by Rush. It's been a Rush kind of week for me because I did a Jacob's Ladder, a video for Jacob's Ladder. Those of you who are Rush fans probably know that song, and if you're not a Rush fan, you'll probably know this song. Anyway, this is Tom Sawyer, and I really wanted to just show the intro as a way of including some percussion. And for something like this, which is really based on a very powerful guitar attack, having your thumb in percussion is really useful. I think it really completes it if you're trying to do this thing on solo guitar. The first chord you'll use is a chord that I like a lot, actually. It's an E5, which means that it's not major nor minor. Basically, think about an E major bar chord, but then only fret on the A, D, and G strings. So on the 7th fret on the A string, 9th fret on the B string, 9th fret on the D string. The rest of the strings are open. You can use that in place of any E minor or A major. In this case, it's a great big ringing sound. That's the first chord. The second chord is this D suspended. And the chords that I use may be different from what Alex Lifeson uses, but on the recording, there's actually some layering going on with different chords. So to me, this is how I hear it, and I think it's pretty effective. So again, this is this D over an E. So 7th fret on the A, D, and G strings. Third chord is this A. It's an A add 9. So again, so now it's over an open A string. It's like an A bar chord with your A open, fretting 7th fret on the D, 6th fret on the G string. B and E strings are open, and then a C major 7, like that. Like that. Again, these are the chords as I hear them as make sense for me. Maybe somewhat different from what Alex Lifeson plays, but he's got Geddy Lee and Neil Peart behind him. We're making do with one guitar. So those are the chords. Okay. Using my thumb, now I'm beating on the body of the guitar, and I'm doing it in rhythm with the hits. So the very first chord, okay, I'm doing downstrokes with my index finger. It's good if your finger, this is really a finger style thing here with a pick. It won't really work because you need your thumb to hold the pick. So here, I'm doing 3 downstrokes, like that. And I like doing for the snare, hitting my thumb then on the bottom string, or I can use my ring finger, hit the guitar. That's usually what I do. It will void your warranty, so you don't have to do this if you don't want to. You can just do it. Again, your thumb at the exact same time as your downstrokes. And then a percussive hit to end of it. Second chord is the same. So I'm doing downstrokes, and I'm really just, on my downstroke, I'm really just hitting the bottom 2 strings, the low E and the A. Maybe the D a little bit. Like that. So I'm hitting the thumb straight down against the body while I'm doing a downstroke. Funny motion, but really effective, especially for this. Okay. Sorry, the second chord is the D. Or rather, it's an E suspended. I said D suspended, it's an E sus. E sus 7, basically. Then, same thing then. Okay. So it's basically the concept. And I often do this, hitting with the thumb. In this case, it's particularly good because it's such a powerful thing. Those four chords. And even if you don't do the rhythmic, even if you don't do the snare hit, you know, either there, I'm just tapping this on the bridge, my ring finger or pinky on the bridge, or doing my thumb smacking against the low E string. Even though I don't do that, it's still pretty effective. Oh. So, hope this is useful to you. I really love the thumb technique. It's sort of stolen from flamenco, and it can really add a real power to this kind of playing. So, yeah, hope it's useful. Thanks for watching, as always.